Family Trusts. Part 8. Family Pot Trusts. Forming a Family Pot Trust. Step 1. Determine the need for a family pot trust. Assess your estate planning goals and determine if a family pot trust aligns with your needs. Consider factors such as providing for multiple beneficiaries, facilitating efficient asset management, and maintaining control over the distribution of assets within the family. Step 2. Consult with an attorney. Engage the services of an experienced attorney specializing in trusts and estate planning. They will provide legal advice, guide you through the process, and ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Step 3. Identify the settlor, trustees, and beneficiaries. Identify the individual or entity who will create and fund the trust, the settlor. Determine the trustees who will manage the trust and make distribution decisions. Identify the beneficiaries who will receive distributions from the trust, which can include family members or individuals within a defined group. Step 4. Define trust terms and purpose. Work closely with your attorney to define the terms of the family pot trust. This includes outlining the purpose of the trust, specifying the trustee's powers and duties, defining the class of beneficiaries, and establishing the criteria for distributions. Step 5. Draft the family pot trust document. Your attorney will prepare the family pot trust document, also known as the trust deed or trust agreement. This legal document will outline the terms and conditions of the trust, including the trust's name, settlor's details, trustee information, beneficiary provisions, and instructions for asset management and distribution. Step 6. Fund the family pot trust transfer assets into the trust to fund it. This can include cash, investments, real estate, or other valuable assets. Consult with your attorney and financial advisor to ensure proper transfer of assets into the trust and to align with your estate planning objectives. Step 7. Sign and execute the family pot trust document. Review the family pot trust document thoroughly and sign it in the presence of witnesses and a notary public, as required by law. Ensure that all necessary signatures are obtained, including those of any co-trustees, if applicable. Step 8. Comply with legal requirements. Depending on the jurisdiction and specific circumstances, there may be additional legal requirements to fulfill, such as filing the trust document with the appropriate authorities or notifying beneficiaries. Step 9. Ongoing administration and management. Once the family pot trust is established, the trustee assumes responsibility for managing the trust assets and making distribution decisions. The trustee must act in accordance with the terms of the trust, consider the best interests of the beneficiaries, and keep accurate records of trust activities. Step 10. Periodic review and update. Regularly review the family pot trust to ensure that it continues to align with your goals and the needs of the beneficiaries. Consider updating the trust document if there are changes in circumstances or if modifications are necessary. Remember, it's important to work closely with an attorney experienced in trusts and estate planning to ensure compliance with applicable laws, maximize the benefits of the family pot trust, and customize the trust to your specific needs. The trustees should also seek professional advice when making distribution decisions to ensure they act in accordance with the terms of the trust and in the best interests of the beneficiaries.